Hi everyone, and welcome back to my beginner crochet series. Today I'm going to show you guys how to work the half double crochet stitch. So to begin, I've worked 11 chains, and if you don't know how to make a chain, I have a video available for that. So to begin, you're going to want to work your first half double crochet in the second chain from your hook. So you can see the loop on my hook and then the chain closest to it, and then the chain right next to that is where we want to insert our hook to make our first stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into the second chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and that's 1 half double crochet made. So again, you want to yarn over, insert your hook into the chain right next to the stitch you just made, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Again, yarn over, insert it into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Continue doing this all the way down the length of your chain. There should be 1 stitch worked into each chain for a total of 10 half double crochet. Okay, and I've made it to the end here, and I've worked 10 half double crochet. To check your stitch count, you can just rotate your work and look along the top of it. There should be a total of 10 V's. So each stitch creates a little tiny V, and it's super easy to count your stitches and double check everything. Just make sure that you have 10. And to start the next row, you're going to make a chain. So yarn over and pull that through your hook, the loop on your hook, and then just turn your work. Okay, and you can see that it makes this nice little ridge along the back, and then rotate it up a little bit more and you can see the V's. So to start your next row, you want to make sure that you insert your hook underneath that V so that both the front loop and the back loop that's furthest away from you are on your hook. And then yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. And then again, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch. Make sure you have both little loops of the V on your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. And do this all the way back down the row to finish row 2. Okay, and I'm back down the row. You can see that I have 10 half double crochet, and then again you're going to want to chain 1 and turn your work, and then you can start row 3. So you'll be doing row 3 the exact same way. You want to make sure that you yarn over and then insert your hook under that V, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. Do this all the way back down the row, and that's it. Super easy.